Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Before proceeding, ensure your computer is in service mode. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down, indicating it has entered the service mode. To remove the speakers, remove the 4 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 3 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Starting from the top left corner at the hinge, pry the base cover to release. Identify the wireless module. Remove the screw that secures the wireless card bracket. Lift the wireless card bracket off. Disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless card. Slide and remove the wireless card from the slot. Identify the speakers. Disconnect the cables. Peel the tape that secure the speaker and antenna cables. Remove the speaker and antenna cable from the routing guides. Lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system. Route the speaker and antenna cable through the routing guides. Reconnect the cables. Adhere the tapes that secure the speaker and antenna cables. To reinstall the wireless module, insert the wireless card at an angle into the slot. Connect the antenna cables, follow the color scheme. Replace wireless card bracket. Replace the screw to secure it. Place the base cover back on the system. And secure it with the 7 total screws. To exit service mode, connect the AC adapter and press the power button. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.